Hi, I am Marc, the Digital Prof and author of the Digital Transformation Canvas. In this episode, I introduce you to step number 3 on our digital transformation step-by-step journey. Step number 1, the digital maturity assessment to provide an initial overview of your maturity and where opportunities are. Step number 2, the workshop canvas that helps you to ideate, brainstorm ideas for your digital roadmap. And now step number 3, the more detailed engagement with the most important 24 strategic topics in the digital age. As mentioned before, some organizations will skip step 3 because they are too small in order to spend 3 workshops or more on the 24 strategic topics, or they need a faster result and might move from step 2 directly to step 4. However, larger organizations require a more in-depth conversation on opportunities, risks, and therefore the ACT method, Analyse, Create, Transform, is exactly the right thing for you, for them. The idea is that we engage with 24 strategic questions, those questions which, according to our research, at least half of the surveyed organizations are working on. And the 24 strategic questions are grouped into the 7 action fields of digital transformation and structured along 3 workshops to analyze what is there and what could be done, to create new digital opportunities, products, services, business models, processes, but also new work environments, and to successfully and sustainably transform your organization through transparency and ongoing digital skills development. In order to work with the ACT Canvas, you can either use it as an extension of step 2, workshop canvas for digital transformation, or you can use it as the primary tool in order to develop your digital strategy. And we propose a 10-step process, which I describe in my book. And the process starts with a kickoff with the board of directors, the owners of the business, of the executive team. You might ask questions such as, what is the thing when you leave the office or the factory on Friday evening is worrying you most because you again haven't done it? I would like to know, where does the board of directors see the largest digital opportunities? I then conduct in step 2 a digital maturity assessment, similar to what we discussed before. I might use the workshop canvas to ideate. I might have a set of things that need to be prepared before my first workshop to analyze, because many organizations might not have an up-to-date competitor review. They might not have visited their competitors' websites or social media channels before the workshop, and that leads in some preparation work before the first workshop. Workshop number 1, Analyze, will review how much you know about your organization, about new technology, about availability of data. And the result of the debate will be additional tasks for your teams before you move into workshop number 2 to create new digital opportunities, products and services. And after the create phase, you have in many cases a list of quick wins, a list of initial digital opportunities that you might summarize on your digital roadmap, and initial projects might now commence. Before, after a couple of months, you then move into workshop number 3, the Transform workshop, where I would like to engage in a conversation on how you sustainably, successfully will embed digital values and digital skills in your organization. So if you are a larger business or you require a restructuring of your organization, the ACT method with the 24 strategic questions along a 10-step process might be the better avenue for you. The workshop canvas is available for a free download using the QR code. In addition to the workshop canvas on ACT, we also have a very comprehensive checklist, which for each of the 24 strategic questions will provide a small business example and tools and recommendations on how you could leverage that topic in your organization, available through that link. The Digital Transformation Canvas, your brand new book, is available now as endorsed by many academics and executives on the planet. And in the next episode, we're going to speak about the digital roadmap, how we're going to put everything together in a single document that will guide your organization. See you soon again.